how to fix iPhone's battery draining fast all of a sudden. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Now inside the settings, tap on the General. Then inside General, scroll down and tap on the Background App Refresh. And make sure that your background app refresh is turned off. Turn off background app refresh for apps that don't need to run in the background, or you can either turn it off entirely or disable it for specific apps. So make sure it is toggled off. Now after you do so, go back to the settings again and tap on the battery. Then tap on the battery health and charging option available there. And check out the battery capacity. If the maximum capacity is below 80%, your battery may be worn out and need replacement. After that, make sure that your optimized battery is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then simply toggle that optimize option available there. Then go back to the settings again. Now inside settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option available there. Now inside privacy and security, toggle off the location services option available there. After you toggle off the location services, simply go back to the settings again and tap on the general option available there. Once you tap on the general, simply tap on the software update inside it and install the latest available update, as software updates often contains fixes for bugs that could cause battery drain. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.